Hey, Jedian here from CocktailHammer.com, and today I have got something for you guys. I just got this in the mail, and I'm really excited to show you. It is very Amazon basic bar mat, and this is going to be really awesome for someone who needs a quick mat to serve up some drinks on. So I wanted to make a review for you guys, just in case you were wondering what this product on Amazon looks like and how much it costs and my overall opinions about this listing from Amazon. So I will have the link in the description, of course. Now here you are. Take a look at these. These are two of them. They are, I believe they were, I don't have the numbers in front of me, but I believe they were 12 inches by 8 inches or 6. That looks like 6, yeah, because a dollar bill would be just about that much. So this is 12 by 6, although I think it said 12 by 8 in the listing. I'll have a card on the video if I was incorrect about that. So here you go. Now you can put these two side by side to make a longer mat, just like I have it here. They look pretty durable. Here's a good tug in case you wanted to see what that looks like. I'll also do one of these. And that is what we got going on. So yeah, there's really not much to this. The link is in the description. Super cheap, but there's just not much to say. So if you guys are interested in purchasing this, the link is in the description, and make sure to check out CocktailHammer.com, where we post videos and blog articles about bartending equipment, gear, stuff like that. So do check it out, and I'll see you in the next one.